It's not unusual to have you.
Y'all, today I've got a treat for ya. I am going to show you how to make the ultimate lemon pepper wings, okay? The lemon pepper, all right? So if you've ever had lemon pepper wings, you order them from the wing spot, they be alright, you know what I mean? They could use a little bit more seasoning, a little bit more crisp, a little bit more pizzazz, okay? So now I'm showing y'all how to do them right, okay? We talking crispy, full of lemon pepper flavor, and I add a little secret ingredient to the sauce. You gotta stick around to see what it is. All right, let me show you how to make them. All right, boos, you know how we do. Flour is already in the bowl. We ain't wasting time. And like I said, don't play with the flavor. Season that flour like this. If you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned, okay? And now for that wet mix, we're just gonna add some egg and some hot sauce. Get that in the bowl and whisk it up. And then next we're going to grab the chicken wings and get to work. This is our dredging process. They go into the flour first, then we get them into the spicy egg bath and then back into the seasoned flour and then set them aside. We really want to let them sort of chill out for a bit so that flour really clings to that chicken and it doesn't come off in the grease, all right? So now let's get to frying. You need to make sure that that oil is a solid 350, okay, before you add that chicken in. We don't want no super soggy chicken wings, all right? We also don't want these to burn, so make sure the heat isn't too high. So drop the wings in and let them fry for about 9 minutes. Longer if they're thick. We're gonna really let them go until they're nice and golden. You have to really sort of judge by how big your chicken wings are, okay? So don't just go off the 9 minutes. Use your common sense. I know y'all smart out there. Now, while we're doing that, we're gonna also whip up our lemon pepper sauce. We're gonna melt some butter, add in some honey, some lemon pepper seasoning, also some lemon juice. I mean, we really wanna pull out that lemon flavor and then mix that up like you mean it. Now that the chicken wings are done, we're gonna toss them in a bowl, drown them in that sauce, and booze, they are straight up lemon pepper stepping. And let me tell you, the craziest part is that they stay crispy even after you add that sauce. All right? That crunch, it's masterful. Seasoned to perfection, okay? And that honey lemon pepper sauce with the hint of fresh lemon and the butter, the richness, flavor abundance, all right? Flavor explosion. In one bite, you gotta get into these, y'all. Y'all leave some for Harmony too when y'all packing up.
I'm good. I ate enough.
And they're still crunchy though.